What you gonna do with all that gunk? All that gunk inside that mouth. Every day, a layer of whitish, yellowish gunk builds up on your tongue, and it's pretty gross. Actually made up of fungi, dead skin cells, bacteria, toxins, and some remnants of last night's dinner. It can definitely affect your breath, so that's where a tongue cleaner comes in. So this brand Gunkii, which is actually a Canadian Vancouver brand, came up with these really cool tongue cleaners that will help to get rid of and scrape all of this layer of disgusting stuff off of your tongue. They're easy to keep clean. They're made from surgical grade aluminum, super ergonomics. This is really easy to use. It takes about 10 seconds. You just scrape it down, rinse it off. Having bad breath can affect you in so many ways. It's a really bad first impression. It's obviously a major turnoff in any intimate situations. You may find that you have that morning dragon breath. This is a great way to get rid of all that bacteria that's built up on your tongue. If you enjoy coffee actually dries out your mouth, and it's the perfect breeding ground for bacteria. And you know, a lot of times when we're talking about skincare routines and all sorts of routines, it's all about taking care of yourself so that you feel good and you feel confident. If you have bad breath, or you think you might have bad breath, then that's gonna decrease your confidence. There's two different options to get this. So you can get the mine and yours. So for you and your partner, or you and a friend, it's great to encourage somebody else that might have bad breath, but gentle little nudge to say, I'm gonna do it, you can do it too. Otherwise, you can just get one for yourself. This one is the solo. Check these out at MASC in Vancouver or on shopmask.com.